Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, all week long, I've been talking about how it's likely going to go up and take out these highs for liquidity. Now, it definitely did do that, but that doesn't mean that it just needs to go down now. It could easily go up to a much higher Fibonacci level, like the 61 or the 78%. Until we see a break of this trend right here at a Fibonacci level, I definitely would still be recommending longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where you can actually start to see the structure of this move up right here, meaning you can see the higher highs, higher lows. If we get a break of trend, like a break of the high, low, high, low, high, low series at a Fibonacci retracement level, then I would stop looking for longs. As of right now, we definitely do not have a breakup trend yet, so I would definitely still be looking for longs in an uptrend. If we do have that break, I will stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts. Following along with the trend, especially the trend on a little bit of a higher time frame, is definitely the way to go. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.